It's always at these oddball times that I get hit up from Broski. He always wants to meet up somewhere. Like, we have a calendar, sir. He said something about getting some shoes or getting some food or something, or both. We're gonna go meet up with Broski, get some food or some shoes. I ain't getting no shoes. I like the shoes I got on.
We just recently opened since last year from the scratch, from like chicken broth, pork broth.
Oh, so you got the homemade broth. So.
Yes. For the chicken broth, it takes about like 6 to 8 hours for making the broth, and then the pork broth is like 16 to 18 hours. Yep.
Wow.
It's basically about the same, like most like a scallion, onion, and then some of the pork broth we put like kikurage, that's a buttery mushroom, and then the chicken ramen was like a spinach, more like clear. But ramen itself is like depend on the broth. So the broth is like a homemade or like a instant. So what we have like a homemade broth. The way you cook the noodle also have the it's not overcooked, so it's mean right time.
Yeah.
So that's
yeah, those noodles, the consistency is like
yes.
Yeah. Explain to me what the back of the shirts mean.
Well, this one, when Japanese, like when they do like eating noodle, they have like sounds.
Okay.
So which means they enjoy the noodles.
Oh, so the slurp is out.
That's what it is. Yes, it is.
That wraps it up. Anything else you want to say to the viewers?
Enjoy your ramen. That's
Enjoy
it.
your ramen.
Ramen for life.
I can never understand why places like this always smell like Windex. This is like feet. Yeah. Windex washed in feet. Can you guess how many people had their foot in that shit? just today. Just today. Pretty dope. Yeah, just do it. That was corny as Hey babe, I'm bringing these home to you. Just want to let you know. Bro, that did get a tan. How did that happen? Well, that was it, everybody.